Greetings to you. This is Harshavardhan. I am grade 4th. I belong to GK coaching classes.
Why did the villagers call Goopy Ginny?
Goopy. Villagers are villagers are ca- villagers are goopy goopy कहने because means in singer in Bengali. Goopy love to sing.
Soon people stopped coming to his father's stop. Why did this happen?
People stopped coming Goopy father shop because it, Goopy Goopy song was so loud, unstoppable, and annoying everyone to in the villages.